hard work out here. Keep going, keep going. So hard out here. Boy. I don't know how she's doing it. Anyways, today guys, we are out here at a spot called Dudney Park, I believe it's called. It's a beach access point out here in Kelowna. We got the paddleboard here. We're gonna do some paddleboarding along the shore of Okanagan Lake over towards Knox Mountain Park. You can see Knox Mountain off in the distance, which is a really popular hiking trail or hiking park, I guess. It's got many trails. Gorgeous crystal clear water here on Okanagan Lake, and we're looking to find some caves. There was a pretty cool cave over there. It has a little beach in it. We'll stop there if nobody's there. You can see where the Okanagan fire 2 years ago scorched the mountain. So there's all these pristine little beaches along the way. These can only be accessed by paddleboard now. They actually blocked off some of the trails there. They're building a neighborhood up here, so kind of a bummer. Water's a little bit choppy out here today. We're getting wet now, but I like it. You don't want to be caught out on your paddleboard when it's real choppy. That's happened to us before, and it was really sketchy. Oh, that's a wicked beach there. Yeah, let's stop there. That looks nice to like rest on for a minute. Really nice rocky little beach there. I like it.
It's so clear.
Big boulder there. And look at the way these rocks have like piled up along this cliff here. It's pretty sweet. This is nice. Woo! Yeah, check out this beach. Pretty damn nice here. Yeah, it only took us about 5 minutes to paddle along the shore to get here. That's the thing about Okanagan Lake. People think it's really busy, it's too packed, it's too touristy, but you can find these gems. There's a lot of empty beaches, especially along the shores here. There's a really nice one on West Side Road that we go to all the time. What's that called? McKinley? No, Killiney. I get McKinley and Killiney mixed up. Venus is going in. Jump in. Woo. She's like, I'll stand here. How about that? Good enough. Good enough. Careful. What are you pointing at? The other side. Coming around the corner here. I believe there's like another nice beach over here. Well, there's a buoy there, so it means it's probably a spot to swim. Yeah, and I kind of realized one of the caves that I was thinking about earlier is way down there. Whoa! An old car and an old cabin. Wow. How'd that car get there? That's what I want to know. I'm guessing rolled down the hill. I don't think anyone's living in there. It's like totally abandoned here. This is like an old pioneer cabin almost. It's almost like an old trapper style cabin. That's cool. Someone put electricity in it at one point. Nice spot. And then, yeah, the car. How did that get here? I mean, they had to have rolled down this hill at some point. Weird. If there's someone who's local and you're watching this and you know the story about this cabin or maybe this car, feel free to comment. All right, here's the front of the cabin. Watch out for rattlesnakes. I'm barefoot. Oh yeah, it's completely empty. Solid though, still. You know? Like it's still in good shape. All you'd have to do is fix it up and get it all cleaned out. And there's a window going right through to the lake. That's amazing. What a beautiful spot to have a little cabin. Holy. There we have what looks like the outhouse maybe. And we have an apple tree growing here on the beach. Obviously, it's only July, so they're not ready till probably August. But yeah, nice healthy apples. Probably been here for a long time. Sure enough, another old cabin. This one looks to be a bit bigger and also a bit more rugged. Wow, yeah, these are probably pretty old. No windows in them, no nothing. So, interesting. Who knows what's back there, hey? Wow, look at that beach. Whew. Super nice. Tiny little pebbles. These things are really nice on the feet. Really nice spot on Okanagan Lake here though. Like untouched beaches where no one's around. We haven't seen a soul. So yeah, earlier I said I was trying to get to a cave and I kind of made a misjudgment. The cave is actually around that peninsula. So Paul's Tomb Beach is way over there, and then if you go past that, that's where the cave is going to be. But we're still enjoying this really nice setting. I don't know if we'll get that far because obviously it's many kilometers. Maybe there's a cave that we haven't seen yet. I'm really impressed by this area though. Like paddling along here is awesome. You can stop at any little beach you want and just have it all to yourself. Another one right there. This one's nice. So we are going to stop at this beach too. We couldn't resist. Like, look how nice this is. The setting is fantastic. What can I say? I'm 40. Yep. Pretty sweet. And it's a Friday right now in the Okanagan. There's no boats really at all. Not too many. You see one or two out there. You going in swimming? I'm going in. It's pretty cold still this time of year. Oh, unusually cold, I think, today. It was 10 degrees when we woke up, and it's July, so it's kind of cold. All right, I'll go in. And I'm gonna act like a baby, probably like I always do. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Okay, I won't like it either.
Hey, you gotta go in. She backed out. How could you? All right, we're gonna continue up the shoreline there, up the coast. You call it a coast? Is it a coast?
Yeah, or shoreline.
Like, I don't know. If it's a lake, is it considered a coast? This is a massive lake, so I don't know. To me, it's like a coastline. I might dangling my noggin. Beautiful beach right here. Wow. I like this one. Look at this deck they have out there. What? So cool. We got some geese too.